This is the Telemetry Transportation Daily for August 11th, 2025, and I'm Sam Abuel-Samad, Vice President of Market Research for Telemetry. Today at Ford's Louisville assembly plant in Kentucky, CEO Jim Farley announced that the plant would be retooled to produce electric vehicles based on the company's new Universal EV platform. This is the vehicle architecture that's being developed out of the Skunk Works program the automaker established several years ago in Long Beach, California. The goal was to develop profitable, lower-cost EVs. The first product from the platform that will be built was announced about a year ago as a midsize electric pickup. Few specifications have been revealed yet, although Ford says it will have a footprint similar to the current Ford Maverick, which is about 200 inches long and has a passenger volume greater than the Toyota RAV4, which should put it at about 100 cubic feet. It will have performance similar to the Mustang EcoBoost, so about 5 seconds or less for 0 to 60, and we expect it to have about 300 miles of range. The important number for the new truck is the price point, which is targeted to start at $30,000, which puts it between the Maverick and the Ranger starting price. Getting to that starting price has been the task of the Skunk Works team. The new platform will be the first from a legacy automaker to adopt an architecture pioneered by Tesla a few years ago and since adopted by many Chinese OEMs. Rather than assembly of stampings, the new platform will use large-scale aluminum die castings for the front and rear structure, and those will be joined to a central structural lithium iron phosphate battery pack. The 3 sub-assembly lines will produce the front, rear, and central assemblies, with seats and interior being mounted on the battery before being joined to the casting-supported structures. The truck also features a new zonal electrical architecture that eliminates 4,000 feet of wiring and a software platform that supports OTA updates. Production should start by the end of 2026 with vehicles on sale in 2027. Thanks for listening.